Barbara is not very nice. I mean, she looks down on everybody except you, and that's only because you look up to her.
Oh, now that is ridiculous.
You just don't notice how she uses her intelligence to make everybody else
bit
look
me.
stupid. Like tonight at supper when she asked us to pass the salt in Latin. Oh, I think she cares more about words than she does about people. Dorothy, you have a right to have your own friends, but sometimes it takes a good friend to point out your mistakes. And I think you're making one with Barbara.
How dare you make judgments like that? And how dare you tell me who my friends should be?
Yes, it's the hangout for Miami's literary intelligentsia.
Well, I've never seen a menu with a table of contents before.
Skip ahead to chapter 5. It's the lunch menu.
Gee, everything sounds so good.
Why is
The
everybody-
crepes of wrath. The old man and the seafood salad.
I think
What?
I will have...
Just lick that bird.
No, I stuck my tongue at it.
That's gross.
And I'll have a turkey sandwich.
Stuck my tongue at it. I didn't lick
Side order of
Okay.
lunch for his book.
Okay.